So much fun baking and decorating a cake for Bess, my physician assistant, before Mr. and Mrs. party that I hosted at my home last night. I'm obsessed with cake decorating videos on Instagram. This is my first try with flowers. Of course, I had to have a pink knee joint because Bess is an ortho PA, and Alec is a ophthalmology resident, so he had to have an eye. These are some of the flowers that I put on the cake using different tips. Final result, I still need lots of practice with the different flower tips, trying to make the flowers look real, clustering them together. Was fun but challenging. Again, need lots of practice. It's a bit of a mess when you're using different colors and different tips, lots of different bowls. This is the vegan cake I baked. Actually baked 2 of them, stacked them on top of each other. Made homemade icing. End result with Bess and Alec. Final result, so much fun.